In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations to elements in Colossyan. If you want your scenes to feel smoother, more polished, and a little more dynamic, animations are a simple way to get there. We'll keep this clear and straightforward so you can follow along and get results right away. First, sign into your Colossyan account and head to your workspace. Once you're in, open your project in the editor. You'll see your canvas in the center, a list of scenes and assets on the left, and a properties panel on the right. That right side panel is where we'll do most of the work today. Next, click to select the element you want to edit. This can be a text box, an image, a shape, or an on-screen avatar, anything placed on your canvas. When an element is selected, you'll notice a bounding box around it, and its settings will appear in the right panel. If nothing seems to change, make sure you've actually clicked the element on the canvas rather than the scene in the sidebar. Now look over to the right side panel and navigate to the Animate tab. It usually sits alongside other tabs like General Styling or Position. If the Animate tab looks unavailable, that's a sign no element is currently selected. Click the element again to reactivate it, then return to the Animate tab. This is your control center for motion, and it's designed to be clear and quick to use. With the Animate tab open, simply select the animation you want. You'll typically see familiar effects such as fades, slides, and zooms, each designed to guide your viewer's attention. Choose an effect that matches the tone of your project. A gentle fade for titles and captions, a subtle slide for lower thirds, or a light zoom to emphasize a key visual. As soon as you make a choice, the effect applies to the selected element, and you'll see it reflected on the canvas. Keep it tasteful. Less can be more, especially if you're building a professional or instructional video. That's the whole process. Sign in, open your project in the editor, select the element, go to the Animate tab, and pick the animation that best fits your message. Once you're comfortable with these steps, you'll find it easy to build consistency across your scenes by reusing the same animation style for similar elements. It helps your audience follow along without distraction. Thanks for watching. With these quick moves in Colossyan, you'll add motion that supports your story and keeps viewers engaged, all without complicating your workflow.